Buenas, ya estoy aquí otra vez. Vamos a echar otro ratito. A ver si le pego un tironcito, que el juego no es tan largo, por lo que se ve. No sé si se me escucha bien, sí, ¿no? Sonido del juego, todo bien. ¡Qué juegazo! Ya había cogido la cizalla, ¿no? Sí, ¿no? A ver. Sí, la tengo aquí.
This place. This is where it started.
Aquí estaba antes ya, ¿no?
Hello, my love. It's your favorite nurse. Are you in
Esto
there?
ya lo he visto antes.
The nurse. I'd never felt dark. That thing. It was where it made its first kill. And liked it.
Esto ya lo he visto antes, tío. Uy, cómo se trasca en las series X. Se trasca un poquito.
So worth it. I love you, bolt cutters.
Supuestamente este juego tiene trazado de rayos, tío. Por ejemplo, esto, la sombra esa que da, en teoría es el trazado de rayos, ¿no? Pasando por las rejas. Aquí hay otra. Un poquito
Kinda sounds
falso
like a
el
spy
efecto
name.
ese, ¿no? Es la cizalla, ¿no?
Cutters. Bolt cutters. Or a movie star. Like, in a movie you don't use your real name for. Yeah. Spy name it is.
No sé si es por aquí. Por aquí no es. Aquí hay una puerta. Está cerrada. Aquí.
Okay, Marianne. Let's see what Sadness wanted me to see. I hope she's all right.
No sé si por aquí me he dejado algo. Por aquí donde me he metido. Por aquí no hay nada, ¿no? Sí. Vacaciones en el campo. Tiempo en familia. Pega tironcillo el juego, ¿eh? No estamos optimizados para... No sé yo hasta qué punto... No optimiza el juego para las series X, ¿eh? Me parece vergonzoso. He visto yo antes, ¿no? Me suena esto. A ver, por aquí. Por aquí nada. Y una puerta. A ver, espérate. Que no me deje camino sin... Voy a comprobar si aquí hay un candado. Aquí puedo abrir, puedo romperlo. Por las mega cizallas estas.
All right. Here we go.
Una cinemática. Ahí está la amiga.
Marianne?
There you are. Thank God.
You're all right. I was so worried.
Oh, yeah. That thing almost got me. What the hell is it?
It came from shame, from helplessness, from rage.
Rage.
It's like anger, but more. Once it got out, we couldn't stop it. It ate all of them, Marianne. All of my friends.
Your friends.
I'm the only one left.
It's okay, Sadness. I'm here now.
No. It'll eat you too. Just like the others.
Shh. I won't let it hurt you, I promise.
Esa es la pelota, tío.
Okay.
Hey, why don't you tell me something about this place?
It's the day room. We used to play here.
With Richard? Is he one of your friends?
No. But he was smart. Maybe he could help you.
He was smart. Wait, is he?
A bad thing happened to him. I remember he became hollow, like a puppet. He... Oh... I remember. Marianne, I don't want to see him.
What? Why not? What do you remember?
No, don't tell them.
It's
Don't
okay.
tell anyone.
You don't have to tell me. But you should still come with me so that I can keep you safe.
No! No, Marianne!
The sadness!
No, never again!
Why did you bring me here? It was then I realized there was something she wanted me to see with my own eyes. Richard? Are you there?
Y una caja. Aquí.
Gather round, children. I want you to meet Lilianne. She's going to be joining our painting class.
Why can't I play with my friends, Uncle Richard?
Your friends? Oh, Lilianne, I promised your father you would spend some time with the other children.
Friends, huh?
Luz de guía. Has encontrado una página de diario. Qué paranoia jugar así, tío. No sabes dónde tienes que ir. ¿Y aquí qué hay, tío? ¿Esto qué es? Coño. Ahora.
Don't you think he would be better off in a nursing home? What about his family?
Richard doesn't have any family.
Oh, the poor man. It's like he's somewhere else. We were close once, you know. I mean, not that close, but... All right. I'll take care of him.
Hollow like a puppet. Isn't that what Sadness said?
Don't you think he would be better off in a nursing home? What about his family?
Richard doesn't have...
Oh, the poor... We were close once, you know. I mean, not that close. All right.
No tengo lo de la luz. Hostia. Espérate. Es que lo de la luz no sé dónde está, tío.
Ah,
No se abre. ¿Y esto? Vale, así.
a sheet of music.
Una partitura de...
At least part of it.
Bueno, al menos. Por aquí donde he venido, ¿no? Creo. ¿O no? Sí, por aquí donde he venido. Otra partitura. Ya tengo dos. ¿Y si las combinamos? Claro. Me queda un trocito más. Este sitio está lleno de recuerdos.
That glow. There's a sense of loneliness coming from it. It feels incomplete.
¿Qué tengo que poner ahí? Nada. Aquí ya no hay más nada. Ese punto.
That glow. There's a sense of loneliness coming from it. It feels
No se puede hacer nada. Hostia, hostia, no. Coño, no me doy cuenta.
Don't you think he would be better? What about his...
Richard.
Oh, we were close. All right.
A ver, que hago una cosa. Espérate, es así. No, pero yo quiero dejar... No puedo andar solamente con ella de arriba. A ver. Ahí hay algo. Otra nota más, tío. Recuerdo el día que lo conocí. Trabajaba en una fábrica y aún era más un niño que un hombre. ¿Y esto? Eso ya lo he cogido antes, tío. Joder, macho. No sé para dónde hay que tirar, ¿eh? Aquí hay una puerta, pero está cerrada, ¿no? ¿O puedo abrirla? No, no tengo la llave. Pues tiene que estar en algún lado, tío. Tiene que estar ahí, pero ¿cómo tiro por ahí sin que me den la mierda esa? A ver. Es que no. La puerta está abierta, tío. A ver, ¿y antes no? Ah, amigo, claro. Ahora sí. ¿Esto qué es? ¿Una diadema o qué es esto? ¿Una corona? ¿Qué pasa ahí? Que no ve ni torta, tampoco. A ver. Ajustar el brillo más todavía. Vale, ya sé dónde tengo que ir. ¿Dónde está esto? Yo aquí le meto esto. Ah, una cara, ¿no? Espérate. Coño. Estos son los ojos. Madre mía. ¡No! ver cómo si yo me aclaro con esto. El ojo tiene que ir para arriba. Este tiene que ir para abajo. Ahora sí.
Another junction. Maybe it can show me a way out of here.
Ah, mira. Joder. Por aquí, ¿o qué? No sé para qué he hecho eso. Bueno, vamos a tirar por aquí. A ver. Vamos a ir aquí y recargo esto.
The spark's too weak to absorb.
¿Qué?
It's like it's missing something.
¿Qué dices? Otra de esta del cuchillo. Mira aquí una llave.
Aha.
Ajá. No tiene nada que ver por ejemplo, Resident Evil 7. Este no es tan de susto. O más, yo que sé, más narrativo. Aún así está muy chulo, ¿eh? El rollo este así de los dos mundos le da otro rollo al juego y la música está muy lograda. ¿Esto es un boli?
Come on, Richard. You were always there when I needed you. Let me return the favor.
I don't know, Thomas. What about my work? The university?
Rich, I know they kicked you out. I'm guessing you finally managed to piss off the right people. Stay with us, old friend. Do it for me. For them.
So he brought him here. Wonder who he meant by them.
Por aquí han entrado, ¿no? Creo, ¿no?
So, that's how you found him?
Yes. He was just lying there. He,
Mr. Rekovich?
I'm sorry. He was a friend. I just need a moment.
That's not true, Thomas. You thought he deserved it.
No me he enterado. ¿Qué ha dicho?
So, that's how you...
Contaste así,
Yes.
sí, estaba ahí tirado.
He was just
Había-
lying.
Mr. Rekovich?
Joder.
So,
Yes.
Mr. Rekovich?
I'm sorry.
Necesito un momento. Fuerte narrativa. El juego.
That should be all the
Esta
pieces
es la
of
otra
the score
parte.
now.
Yes. Y ahora tengo la partitura. ¿Es que hay un piano por aquí o qué? Yo no sé dónde hay que ir. Ah, mira, aquí hay...
I love this melody. It reminds me of my childhood. At least the good parts of it.
But the bad parts, they're always there, aren't they?
You're a very smart girl, Lily. You know that, don't you? You're special.
Her voice, is that...
Es de tristeza. Aquí está el piano. ¿Qué pasa, tío? No.
The spark's too weak to absorb. It's like it's missing something.
Y está aquí el piano. Y le doy la X. Vale, ahora le pongo la partida. Ahora sí. ¿Y ahora qué pasa? No sé, tío, ¿qué hay que hacer? Ah, vale, vale, ya puedo pasar por aquí. Ya puedo pasar por aquí. Y paso, ¿era con este? No, era con este. Y para el otro lado hay algo. No, por ahí no hay nada. Hostia, se me ha acabado el flujo. No sé dónde estoy ahora mismo. Y hay una mano, tío.
Uncle Richard, my arms are getting tired. You've been drawing me for hours.
Almost done. You know, Lily, you remind me of someone. A girl I knew when I was very young.
Did you love her?
Yes. With a young, innocent love, free of the ferocity of adult lives.
Richard. I'm getting a weird vibe from him. There's grief, sorrow, and something else.
Uncle Richard, you've been
Almost a girl.
Did you love?
Yes. Ferocity.
¿Esto qué es, tío? ¿Qué me dice que venga por aquí? Hostia, qué muñeca.
Aren't you a bit old to be playing with dolls? Here. I bought it especially for you.
Oh, a ribbon? It's beautiful. Thank you, Uncle Richard.
Uncle.
Here, let me... on the other hand, why don't you do it yourself?
What was that? It's like something stirred inside him.
Eso me lleva por aquí. ¿No? Por ahí. El lazo.
No! I didn't mean to... Oh, God!
Se la
What
cargó.
have I done?
It feels cold. What have you done?
No!
Ya lo he escuchado, tío. Ya lo he escuchado. Coño. El carrito de los huevos.
I had never felt anything so desperate. It was calling out to me. It wanted to show me something.
El devora niños, hostia. Este es Thomas, ¿no? Supuestamente.
God fucking damn it! Thought I could protect her. Idiot! What would you think of me? I failed you. I failed us. It's all falling apart. What? Yes, I know. No, I need to be sure. There's gotta be something around here. You want what? Fuck!
¿Lo que ha pasado? Tía, ¿quién es ese, niño?
Look who finally decided to let me out of my cage. And only when you need my help. Surprise. Surprise. You know what? I'm not in the mood. Just tell me what you see. Come on. Come on. Yes. I can feel it. Okay. It's around here. Somewhere. Oh, well, that's real fucking specific. Hey, I'm trying to help here. You know, sometimes I wonder. Well, it doesn't make it easier when you keep me in the dark for so long. Oh, Christ. Thanks for that, by the way. Hell of a way to treat your soulmate. God damn it! There's nothing here! There is. Really? I'm never wrong about these things. You know that. Well, screw this. I should have known better than to listen to you. Wait. What? There. There. Where? What?
¿Qué busca?
This is it. Okay. What? You building tension? Grab the fucking thing! Would you shut up? Huh? Okay. It's her. It's her. No. No. Page. After page. It's like he's obsessed. What is he? What have I done? We couldn't have known. I let him into my home. You know, he was like a father to me. How could he do this to her? Fucking bastard! How could he? I told you we couldn't trust anyone but ourselves. Keep it together. Think. What do we do now? We wait. And when he comes back, I'll just... Whoa. Easy, Tiger. Remember what's at stake here. Just let me do what I do. You better do it fast. Because if you don't, I will kill him.
Te ha contado una historia. Una paranoia.
Thomas. I wasn't expecting you. Is
Verás tú.
everything all right, my friend?
Did you do it, friend?
Did I? What?
My daughter.
No vayas, ¿sabes?
My 13-year-old daughter. I entrusted her to you.
Thomas.
Did you do it?
I don't.
I found the sketchbook. Forced myself to look through it. Cover to cover. Every single fucking page! Tell me you didn't hurt her, Richard.
Thomas, please.
Tell me I'm wrong, Richard. Tell me, and I'll let you go.
It wasn't me. Thomas, you have to understand. There's a sting inside of me.
Joder.
Shut up.
You have to believe me. I wanted to die.
I'll make it quick.
Thomas, I'm so sorry.
She's my daughter!
I never wanted any of this. I should never have come here.
But you did. Knowing she's here. Knowing what she means to me.
Thomas, I swear, I'll go away. You'll
¿Que se ha
never...
cargado la hija o qué?
But you... No. Let me out. Let me out.
Let me in!
Joder.
This cancer has spread far enough. Time to cut it out.
Que tiene una parte también que está en otro mundo, eso. Madre mía. Libera a Richard
All
de sus
right,
demonios.
Richard. This is your world. Show me what you're hiding. Is this where it started, Richard? The place that broke you, made you what you are?
Qué bueno. Ah, por favor. Y la música. ¡Hostia!
You feel it, Thomas. There's something here. It awoke on that day when she came to it. It took over. Made itself at home. Loss, hatred, grief. This place reeks of them. Something terrible happened here. It changed Richard forever.
No!
What the hell?
Ese es el
Leave her
Richard.
alone!
ugly secret. The sum of all his demons.
Richard, your father forgot his knife. You'd better go and bring it to him.
All right, I'll play along. For now. I can feel something's not right.
Father, you forgot your knife.
Thank you, Richard. You know what? Why don't you keep it?
But it's your lucky knife.
And now it's yours. You'll need it. I'm leaving tomorrow.
What? No!
Hostia, qué guapo, tío.
But where are you going?
The army is heading out west, and I'll be going with them.
But no, I don't want you to go.
Chulo, ¿eh?
I don't want to go either, son. But sometimes what we want isn't what's important. Do you understand?
When will you come back?
Take care of your mother, Richard. You're the man of the house now. By the sweat of your brow. You shall rise, and you shall fall. Till you return to the earth from which you came.
Mili. Mili tutita. What?
For dust you are, and to dust you will return.
¿Esto qué coño es?
Grief. Anger. I can work with that.
Coño. Imagino que esto será para
Those
romper.
tentacles are guarding something. We need to get rid of them.
Mantén pulse con RT. Qué pasada de juego, ¿eh? Está chulísimo, hombre.
Okay then.
Hey, Richard. Bet you can't catch me. What? Hey, wait up! Come on, Richard. My arms are getting tired. Almost done.
Esta es la hija que se la ha cargado el otro, ¿sabes?
Come on, Slowpoke. Here, I'll try to bring more tomorrow. Thank you, Richard. I can't tell you how much this means to me.
Es que los caminos, esto de aquí tiene 20.000 caminos.
Where'd you go?
A ver, por aquí dónde estaba, ¿no? Me he tirado por aquí. Aquí creo que está la mesa, ¿no? Con el pan ese. Ahí está. Y ahora por aquí.
But what is it? It's something very important. Promise me you'll keep it safe. This way, silly.
Por aquí y por aquí. Que no sé, tío.
Rose? Rose!
Ah, no, esto es... Y ya está, ¿o no? A ver.
Over here! There you are! I was afraid you'd get lost in here. Me? I've been waiting here for ages. I was starting to get bored waiting for you. Hey! Hey, you see that? A storm is coming. It's a big one. We should probably go. Same spot
Qué
tomorrow?
guapo está, tío.
I'll be there.
Cute, Richard. Real cute. So, where do we go from here?
Mom! Who is he?
He's someone who can take care of us.
But I can take care of you. I promised Dad I'd protect you.
I know, honey. And he would be so proud of you. But sometimes, a brave heart is just not enough.
Voy a apagar esto porque no veo ni pi. Ahora se ve, tío. Aunque esté un poquillo más oscuro. Que no ve ni torta con la luz ahí arriba, ¿eh?
Hey, come here. I need you to do something for me.
Así sí veo, tío. Tengo puesto una luz aquí encima de la tele justo.
I need you to bring me that king. You know which one.
Yeah, real specific.
No tengo nada. ¿Esto qué es? Un libro. Será el libro este, ¿no? Voy a quitar un poquito de brillo. Que ahora veo mejor.
Oh, what? You want a bedtime story? I'm not your goddamn mother.
Coño, tengo que darle ahora. Una botella.
Don't make me get up, boy. You slid. You calling me a drunk? Get the hell away with that.
Real fucking charmer, that one.
El cuadro, el que va a querer seguro. Tiene pintado.
Oh, you little shit. I'll teach you some respect.
El tío era un maltratador o algo. ¡Hostia! ¡Que me mete! Es que no sé qué tengo que hacer ahora, ¿eh? No, vale, tengo la mierda esta. No puedo salir de aquí. No es por aquí, ¿no? Pues no tengo ni idea, ¿eh? No tengo los puños cargados. Joder, ¿qué pasa, tío? ¿Qué hay que hacer aquí? Ay,
What the hell did you do to me?
vale.
Stay back, or I'll cut you again.
Ungrateful little fuck! Get the hell away from me!
Gladly.
Es que el niño lo maltrataba al padre. Por lo que se ve.
Get away from me, you bastard! No! No! No!
Mommy! Hold on, Mommy! I'm coming!
Me van a matar. Tienen que venir.
Let go of me!
Oh.
No! No! Please don't! No! No!
Qué bien se ve, ¿eh? La iluminación, ¿eh? Joder.
Can't protect anyone. He's gone. Gone. Forever. You'll never be him. Never. Never. Ever. Little shit. Worthless.
This place again. But not at the same time.
Richard! I should be going. I'm sorry. It's alright, Rose. We can finish some other time. Richard, where are you? Hello? Richard, come out!
Hostia. Voy a ponerle pila un momento. El pilero. Hay que recargar estas.
Don't worry. I'll keep you safe. I'll keep you safe. Richard!
Iluminación, la polla. También del juego.
Here you are. Oh, hey. I waited for you. By the maze. I was afraid something happened to you. I'm fine. I don't like being alone. Are you sure you're alright? I said I'm fine! Hey. If something happened, you can tell me. Just let me... Get the hell away from me!
Okay, Richard. I get the picture. Doesn't change a goddamn thing.
Mommy? What's going on?
Shh, listen to me, Richard. Listen to my every word. Some men will come to our house tonight.
But why? What do they want?
Shh, it's okay. I told them to come.
Te van a cargar padres, creo.
The hell is this? No! Stay away from me! Stay back! Get away from me, you bastards! No! No! Let go of me! No, please don't! Ah! Any son of Poland who collaborates with the oppressor. Who steals from, denounces, or otherwise acts.
¿Y ahí qué pasa? No puedo pasar. ¿En serio? Aquí hay algo.
Commits an unforgivable crime against the motherland. Oh, it should be swiftly punished.
Couldn't have happened to a nicer guy.
A ver qué cargo.
This is getting tedious.
Rose! Where are you?
Hostia.
Sorry!
Me ha dado, ¿eh? No sé cuándo tengo que tirar, tío.
Please! I need you! No,
Oh. She's gone! They took her from me! You took her from me!
No sé quién es Rose esa.
No. I am not.
No way.
This is it.
What is that? No. You're not
Hace las totamentes.
Rose? Is that you?
My precious little flower. My Lily?
No, se cargó a Lily.
Let's get this over with.
Este es él, ¿no?
Help! Somebody! Please, help!
Over here, kid.
Please, mister, I need help. The monster, it's after me.
Monster, you say? And what does this monster look like?
Sir, there's no time. Hurry, we have to get out of here.
It's okay, Richard. Why don't you take a moment to catch your breath?
Do I know you, mister? Are you one of my stepfather's friends?
No, kid. I'm not planning on making any friends here. I'm here just for you.
What? No! Don't come any closer! Don't touch me!
I'm sorry, kid. I know you tried to run, to hide.
Get your hands off me!
But as long as you're here, the beast will always find you. Richard.
It was pretty overwhelming at first. Thomas being like me, but different somehow. I guess I don't have to tell you.
Pilla por detrás.
Thomas? Who the hell are you?
That's what he hunted, hounded, his whole life hiding, hoping they wouldn't find him. I gave him shelter. I gave him purpose. He could have been so much more. Instead, he chose to rot in this godforsaken place. I got your scent,
You're him. Richard.
I'm what's left of him. The bleeding wound. The sand drying on the stump. All because of her. I know you're tired. You smell just like her.
Like the girl who suffered because of you? The one you preyed upon?
She came to me because she had nowhere else to go. Where was her father then? Where were you?
Oh, shut up! Stop acting like you ever cared about her.
She was the light of my life, the warmth of my soul.
Your soul has rotted away. There's barely anything left. Now, it's just your sins. I almost feel sorry for you. You're nothing.
He ripped me apart. He burned me down and left me in the dark. He's a fiend, a monster.
This man, Thomas, what is he?
He's the one who butchers the soul, the one who breaks it. But you, yes, I know you can set me free. I can feel it. Please, do it.
You don't deserve it. You deserve nothing. Nothing. Do you hear me?
Then give it to me, please. To not exist, that's all I want.
So be it.
Do you think she'll ever forgive me? Will you?
I'm not your judge. I'm just the ferryman. Be gone. Richard.
Lo ha liberado.
House. This time, it wasn't just a feeling. It was a memory. Had I been here before? Was I a part of the puzzle? This man, Thomas, was he a part of my own past? And then something clicked. That girl. It's me.
Es ella.
But it looks like it was taken here, at Neva. Shit. The red house. Whatever it is, I can feel it out there. Like it's calling out to me. There. In the woods.
Qué guapo el juego, ¿eh? Joder, está muy chulo. Bueno, vamos a dejarlo aquí. Le pega 1 horita y media casi. Está muy guapo el juego, ¿eh? Te atrapa. Qué chulo. Bueno, nada, chicos. Ya mañana echaré otro rato. Nos vemos en la siguiente sesión. Hasta luego.